All right, here are the instructions for December 1st, Tuesday's assignment, how to read a basic pay stub. So yesterday we had the video about how to read a pay stub, and it had some information about definitions, a lot of definitions. So today I have a pay stub here in front of you, and you have 6 questions up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me what these refer to or what they mean. So employer information, number 1. What is the employer information, right? What does it tell you? It tells you where the person works, right? Employee information. What does the employee information tell you? It tells you all sorts of things, right? It tells you his name, his employee number, how much he makes. So that's all up there, right? And so you're just going to go around for each one of these and tell me what they refer to, and that's that. And then there's 7 questions at the bottom about the sheet, so just answer the 7 questions. What is the employee's name? How much do they earn? How many hours did they work? What was their gross pay? How much did they pay in total in deductions? What was their net pay? And then how did net pay, gross pay, and deductions relate to each other? So that would be number 12 from the sheet yesterday. So if you did the sheet yesterday, you can just go back and look. Number 12, write that here, and you're good. All right, so this is comparing pay stubs. So there are 2 pay stubs that are before this. So basically you're going to look at both of those and you're going to answer these questions. All right. So based on their employee numbers, who was hired first? Was it Nicholas or Jane Smith? So you're going to look at their employee number and you're going to put their employee number in here and in here. And then you're going to guess which one was hired first. You're going to tell me how much they each make, and then you're going to answer who earns more per hour. Commission. So which one earns commission? Who earns the most commission? Gross pay, their gross pay in each pay stub, the total deductions for each pay stub, and the net pay. And then there's 8 questions based on basically that information up there. You're going to have to extrapolate a little bit. So you're going to they're going to give you number 7, for example, how many times a year does the company pay the employees? So you're going to have to look, you're going to have to see how often they get paid every month and sort of figure out how many pay periods are in a year. And then that would be how many times they get paid. Okay. And then number 8 is creating a question that you could ask the employer during a job interview. So looking at the pay stubs, if you're being interviewed for this job, number 8 here, what's a question you could ask the employers at the end when they say, do you have any questions? What could you ask them? For that one, just so you know, you just do your best, and as long as it relates to the pay stub, you'll earn your points.